In the ever-changing landscape of professional photography, only a few cameras manage to rise above the rest, not just by improving technology, but by redefining how we see and feel images. The Hasselblad X3D 350C is one of those rare creations. It's not simply a tool to take photos, it's a statement of creative intent. Every aspect of this camera embodies harmony between engineering and artistry, crafted for those who believe photography is not just about capturing light, but about sculpting emotion through it. The X3D 350C isn't about chasing specs. It's about redefining how creativity and precision coexist in a single masterpiece. At its heart lies a 350-megapixel medium format sensor, a stunning achievement that pushes the limits of image realism. Each shot feels like stepping into another world, with depth so rich that every texture and reflection becomes a sensory experience. From the shimmer of metal to the softness of skin, every surface is captured with microscopic precision. The images this camera creates are not flat representations but vivid, dimensional portrayals of reality. It doesn't just show you the moment, it lets you relive it, turning still photography into something almost cinematic. With every frame, the X3D 350C reminds you why photography is both a science and an art. The camera's design mirrors its philosophy: elegant, intentional, and built with purpose. The Scandinavian-inspired aesthetic blends minimalism with strength, creating a body that's as beautiful as it is functional. Machined from aerospace-grade aluminum, the X3D 350C feels impossibly light for its class yet reassuringly solid in hand. Every detail has been refined to perfection: the curves, the controls, and the grip, all designed to disappear between you and your vision. Whether you're in a high-end studio or scaling mountain terrain for that perfect landscape, it feels balanced, natural, and utterly reliable. This is a camera that doesn't get in your way. It becomes part of your creative rhythm. The rear display, a bright and sharp tilting touchscreen, makes control effortless. Even in direct sunlight, it remains crisp, responsive, and easy to navigate. The menu system is fluid and intuitive, ensuring you stay connected to your creative flow, rather than distracted by complexity. And when conditions turn harsh, the X3D 350C's fully weather-sealed body is ready to handle it all: dust, rain, and cold alike. It's a camera built not only for elegance but also endurance, able to withstand the demands of professional life without compromise. But it's in the imagery that the X3D 350C truly asserts its brilliance. Hasselblad's renowned natural color solution reaches new heights, producing tones that are both scientifically precise and emotionally rich. Colors look natural yet cinematic. Skin tones glow authentically, landscapes reflect their true vibrance, and fine textures retain their soul. Each image feels honest, expressive, and alive. With 16-bit raw output and over 16 stops of dynamic range, every gradation between light and dark is preserved with painterly smoothness. From deep shadow to glowing highlight, transitions flow gracefully, ensuring your images carry not only detail but emotion. Autofocus, a challenge for many medium format systems, has been reimagined. The X3D 350C's hybrid phase detection autofocus is fast, accurate, and dependable, locking onto subjects with quiet confidence. It may not chase rapid bursts or sports sequences, but that's not its purpose. This is a camera built for intentional photography, for portraits, landscapes, and commercial work where every frame is crafted, not captured in haste. It rewards deliberate creation, delivering consistent precision every time you press the shutter. Perhaps the most astonishing innovation lies in its 9-axis in-body image stabilization. This advanced IBIS system ensures handheld shots stay perfectly sharp, even at long exposures. It opens creative doors that once required tripods, letting you explore motion, light trails, and handheld cinematics with clarity that feels impossible. Paired with Hasselblad's advanced image processor, It delivers breathtaking sharpness without sacrificing natural motion or mood. Whether capturing handheld video or stills, it turns stability into an art form, giving freedom without compromise. Low-light performance has also evolved dramatically. The backside illuminated sensor captures detail even when light is scarce, maintaining texture, tone, and clarity in ways that defy expectation. Nightscapes, candlelit interiors, and twilight scenes all reveal their full depth. Shadows remain rich with information, and highlights never blow out. The X3D 350C doesn't just handle low light, it thrives in it, proving that true artistry often emerges where others see limitation. Every shot taken in darkness feels like discovering light for the first time. Connectivity and workflow match the demands of modern professionals. The inclusion of Wi-Fi 6E and Bluetooth 5.3 means rapid wireless transfers, while USB-C 4.0 enables lightning-fast tethered shooting. Support for CF Type-E cards and external SSDs makes working with massive 350MP RAW files and even 16K footage seamless. Whether in studio or on location, your creative process remains uninterrupted. It's a system built for the realities of professional work, smooth, efficient, and reliable at every step. Power management has been equally well thought out. The new high-capacity battery offers impressive endurance, and USB-C PD fast charging means you can recharge quickly on the go. Whether shooting all day outdoors or working through extended studio sessions, the X3D 350C keeps up effortlessly. No distractions, no delays, just pure uninterrupted creativity. And when you move into post-production, its seamless integration with Hasselblad Focus software and Adobe Lightroom ensures that the same precision and color fidelity carry through to your final images. The tones, the detail, the emotion, everything remains intact from lens to screen. But beyond its impressive specifications, the X3D 350C carries a deeper philosophy. That photography is not about speed but intention. It invites you to slow down, to observe, and to create thoughtfully. Every press of the shutter becomes a conscious decision. Every image a piece of art born from patience and passion. It's a reminder that true photographers don't just take pictures, they craft them. The X3D 350C rewards those who think in light and emotion rather than frames per second. For commercial photographers, its resolution and accuracy redefine what's possible for product and advertising imagery. Fine art photographers will find themselves immersed in tonal subtleties and expressive range. Landscape artists will marvel at how it captures nature's essence, the textures of earth, the glow of sky, and the dance of light over time. Whatever your discipline, this camera doesn't just adapt. It enhances, allowing vision to flow seamlessly from imagination to image. Every detail of the X3D 350C radiates quiet confidence. There's no flashiness, no unnecessary extras, only precision, refinement, and excellence. It's a camera that doesn't boast, it delivers. Each image it creates feels meaningful, every moment eternalized with grace and authenticity. For those who demand the absolute best, those who see photography as poetry through light, this camera isn't an accessory. It's a creative ally. The Hasselblad X3D 350C doesn't just record the world around us. It redefines how we interpret it. It transforms light, form, and emotion into something tangible, breathing life into every frame. It represents the pinnacle of medium format innovation, a fusion of technology and art that captures perfection in its purest form. With this camera in your hands, you're not just taking photographs, you're creating legacy, one frame, one emotion, one story at a time.